Eggs in Purgatory are absolutely delicious. They are really fiery tomato sauce that you poach your eggs in. They're great at any time of day, not just for breakfast. Anything. I especially make this a lot when I come home late and I've missed a meal or two. It's fantastic, really quick, and it's also a great thing if you are feeding several people because it's very easy. Just use a bigger pan, add some more tomatoes, a little more garlic, and put many eggs in. So I'm going to get started here. I have some chorizo. Now, my version, again, as always, has a few shortcuts, and this is one of my key shortcut ingredients. I use chorizo to add all its paprika spicy juices rather than having to get out all extras. If you do like it very spicy, however, you could also add some more dried chili flakes to this. So I'm just going to give these a rough chop because really today it's only me eating. So we'll go ahead and get the heat on under our pan. Add just a tiny little bit of oil just to help the chorizo release its juices, gets it underway. Okay. And whilst that is happening, I am going to mince in a clove of garlic. Okay. So I just need to stir this about for a few moments, just until you see that orange oil being released into the pan. Add a can of chopped tomatoes. Give that a stir about. Add a little parmesan now. I'm using mostly parmesan to add saltiness. There's one thing I think you have to have with eggs in this, so bubbling away here and reducing slightly. So I'm going to make slight holes within to crack my eggs into. And egg number 2. Perfect. So I'm just going to give it a further moment just on the underside here. And it usually is covered with a lid and the eggs poach within the steam at the top. But I don't like doing this because I think everything sweats a bit too much and makes it a bit runny. So I just show it to the grill for the merest minute just to set the eggs on top. I am pretty much there. I'm just going to sprinkle on the remainder of my parmesan. Put the whole lot on that. So whilst I'm waiting for my eggs into the grill, I'm just going to have a bit of a tidy up here. Get rid of all this for a moment. And just as I think salt is extremely important with eggs, so is some good bread. Just get rid of this first slice. Nice fresh slice. And so that is it. Now you could add some chopped parsley if you have it, but dive right in. Perfect. Just how I like it. Maybe just a touch more salt on the eggs themselves. So guys, remember, if you like this recipe and want to keep up to date with all my recipes, please subscribe and turn on the notifications below.